In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this Xiaomi. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down just a bit to access display. Following that, scroll down again and click on text size. Lastly, swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. When you're ready, click on the back button. As you can see when I do that, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!